Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that the world changed while you were sleeping. Your job has been transformed. Schools no longer teach the same skills. Doctors rely on artificial intelligence before making life-changing decisions. Governments struggle to keep up with machines that learn faster than humans. This isn't science fiction. It's the future we're already entering. And almost nobody is prepared for what's coming next. Artificial intelligence isn't coming, it's already here. Every day, millions of people unknowingly interact with AI. It recommends what they watch, predicts what they buy, writes emails, answers customer service questions, detects diseases, drives scientific discoveries, and even creates videos that are becoming almost impossible to distinguish from reality. But what we're seeing today is only the beginning. Most people compare today's AI to the internet in its early years. Powerful, useful, but nowhere near its full potential. The difference is that AI is improving at a speed we've never witnessed before. The internet connected information. Artificial intelligence creates it. Every new generation of AI becomes faster, more accurate, more creative, and more capable than the last. Only a few years ago, AI struggled to write a coherent paragraph. Today, it writes software, generates realistic movies, designs products, passes professional exams, helps scientists discover new medicines, and assists businesses in making billion-dollar decisions. And tomorrow, it may do far more. Some researchers believe the next decade will witness more technological change than the previous 100 years combined. That sounds impossible, but history has surprised us before. A century ago, airplanes were a miracle. Today, they carry millions of people every day.
Autonomous core.
Just a few decades ago, carrying a supercomputer in your pocket sounded ridiculous. Today, smartphones have become ordinary. The same transformation is happening with AI. What feels extraordinary today could become completely normal within a few years. Imagine cities where traffic lights communicate with autonomous vehicles, hospitals where AI detects diseases before symptoms appear, schools where every student has a personalized AI tutor that understands exactly how they learn, factories operating around the clock with almost no human workers, farms monitored by intelligent drones that know precisely when crops need water, fertilizer, or protection. Entire supply chains managed by artificial intelligence with almost perfect efficiency. This isn't fantasy. Many of these technologies already exist. They're simply becoming more powerful every year. The biggest mistake people make is believing AI will only affect technology companies. In reality, it will touch almost every industry: healthcare, education, finance, construction, agriculture, transportation, entertainment, law, manufacturing, retail, even governments. No profession is completely isolated from this transformation. Some jobs will disappear, others will evolve. Entirely new careers will emerge. But one thing seems almost certain: the future workforce will look very different from today's. Instead of doing repetitive tasks, people may spend more time supervising intelligent systems. Instead of searching for information, they'll focus on interpreting it. Instead of competing against AI, the most successful people may learn how to work alongside it. This creates enormous opportunities. A single entrepreneur equipped with powerful AI tools can now perform work that once required an entire team. Businesses can launch faster. Ideas can become products in days instead of months. Creativity is becoming more accessible than ever before. But every opportunity creates new challenges, because if AI can perform more tasks than humans, what happens to millions of workers? That question has become one of the most important debates of our time. Some economists believe AI will create more jobs than it destroys, just as previous technological revolutions did. Others argue this revolution is fundamentally different because AI automates intelligence itself. Unlike previous machines that replaced physical labor, AI increasingly performs cognitive work, the very thing humans believed made them unique. If that's true, society may need to rethink education, employment, and even the meaning of work itself. The first industry to experience a massive transformation could be healthcare. Imagine walking into a hospital where an AI system has already analyzed your medical history, compared your symptoms against millions of patient records, reviewed the latest medical research published around the world, and suggested possible diagnoses before you even meet a doctor. This isn't about replacing doctors, it's about giving them something they've never had before. An assistant that never sleeps, never forgets, and continuously learns from every new medical discovery. Some AI systems are already identifying certain diseases with remarkable accuracy, helping doctors detect illnesses earlier than ever before. If that progress continues, healthcare could become faster, more affordable, and more accessible to billions of people. Education may experience an equally dramatic transformation. For centuries, students have learned inside classrooms where one teacher instructs dozens of children at the same pace. But every student learns differently. Some understand concepts immediately, others need more time. AI could make education deeply personal. Imagine every student having an AI tutor available 24 hours a day, a tutor that understands exactly where they struggle, adjusts lessons instantly, explains concepts in different ways, and never loses patience. Instead of memorizing information, future students may spend more time solving problems, thinking creatively, and learning skills that machines cannot easily imitate. Education may become less about remembering facts and more about understanding ideas. Transportation is also entering a new era. Self-driving vehicles are improving every year. Delivery robots are appearing in cities. Warehouses are becoming increasingly automated. Ports, airports, and logistics networks are beginning to rely on intelligent systems that make thousands of decisions every second. If transportation becomes safer, cheaper, and more efficient, entire industries will change with it. But perhaps no area raises more concern than warfare. Throughout history, the nations with the most advanced technology often gained enormous strategic advantages. Artificial intelligence is becoming part of that competition. Military organizations are investing billions into AI-powered surveillance, cybersecurity, autonomous drones, intelligence analysis, and decision support systems. Many experts believe future conflicts will involve machines making decisions at speeds no human can match. This raises difficult ethical questions. How much control should AI have during conflict? Who becomes responsible if autonomous systems make mistakes? And how do governments regulate technology that evolves faster than legislation? These are questions humanity has never faced before. Then there's the economy. Artificial intelligence has the potential to create extraordinary wealth. Businesses could become dramatically more productive. Scientific discoveries could accelerate. New industries could emerge almost overnight. Consumers could benefit from lower costs and better services. But economic growth doesn't automatically guarantee equal opportunity. If a small number of companies control the world's most powerful AI systems, they may also control enormous amounts of wealth. This could widen the gap between those who own intelligent technology and those who simply use it. Some economists believe entirely new economic models may eventually become necessary. Others argue that history shows humanity always adapts. No one truly knows, because there has never been a technological revolution quite like this one. And then we arrive at the biggest question of all: artificial general intelligence, often called AGI. Unlike today's AI, which excels at specific tasks, AGI would be capable of learning and reasoning across almost every intellectual activity a human can perform. It could solve scientific problems, invent new technologies, write books, design businesses, create medicines, and continuously improve itself. Some researchers believe AGI could arrive within decades. Others think it remains much further away. Regardless of the timeline, the race towards increasingly capable AI has already begun. Companies around the world are investing hundreds of billions of dollars. Governments are competing for leadership. Universities continue pushing the boundaries of research. Every breakthrough accelerates the next. This is no longer a slow technological trend. It has become one of the defining competitions of our century. Of course, artificial intelligence isn't only about risks. It could help humanity solve problems that have challenged us for generations: climate change, disease, food production, energy, space exploration, disaster prediction, scientific research. Imagine discovering new cancer treatments in weeks instead of years. Imagine clean energy becoming dramatically more efficient. Imagine personalized education reaching every child on Earth.
Imagine dangerous jobs being performed entirely by machines. The possibilities are extraordinary, but so are the responsibilities. Technology itself isn't good or bad. Its impact depends on how people choose to use it. Artificial intelligence will reflect the values of those who build it, the governments that regulate it, the businesses that deploy it, and the societies that embrace it. That's why this moment matters. We're not simply watching history unfold. We're helping shape it. The choices made over the next decade may influence generations to come. So perhaps the question isn't, is AI coming? Because it has already arrived. Perhaps the real question is, are we ready? Ready to learn new skills, ready to adapt, ready to rethink education, ready to rethink work, ready to rethink what it means to be human in an age of intelligent machines. The future isn't waiting for permission, it's already being built. Every day, every breakthrough, every line of code, every discovery. The AI future nobody is ready for has already begun. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe to AI Wealth Academy for more cinematic documentaries exploring artificial intelligence, future technology, and the biggest innovations shaping our world. What do you think the world will look like in 10 years? Will AI become humanity's greatest invention or its greatest challenge? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this documentary valuable, share it with someone who should see what's coming next.
The future is not just automated, the future is here. Do not miss what comes next. Subscribe and join the evolution.